welcome back to another edition of Tailgate Talk. My name's Evan. Today we are bringing you some Empi valve covers for Bad Bug. I am considering using these. They are the bolt-on type, so they're a little bit different than the factory spring clamp style. I've heard a lot of people say that you really don't need this bolt-on type unless you're really running a race motor, something that sees a lot of heavy use, not so much daily driver. I think a lot of that is for maintenance. Volkswagens, you've got to adjust your valves every so often, and if you've got to unbolt your valve covers, you're less likely to get in there and do that. It's a little bit more of a process than just prying that clamp off and taking the valve cover off and then finishing your work up. So I think from a maintenance aspect, these probably aren't as good as the factory ones. That's just one thing to take into consideration. I really like the look of these, however. They've got the fins for cooling. They've got the Empi logo on there. They look really neat. I don't remember why we didn't put them on. It could have been that with the heater tubes, these wouldn't fit. There was some issue with fitment, and I don't recall if it was on Bad Bug or if it was on Milner, my other Volkswagen, that we were gonna use these and decided not to. So as we get closer to doing motor work, we will reevaluate if we can use these, if I should use these. Like I said, maintenance, you've got to adjust those valves every so often, and it just takes a little bit more time to do that. But I don't know, they just look really sweet. They do take different gaskets. These are cracked and broken, so I'm going to have to get new gaskets versus the cork ones that the factory ones come with. But if you have any history with using these bolt-ons like that, let me know what you've ran into, good or bad. We got to take all of that into consideration when making changes to our car. Again, it's more daily driver than an all-out race car, so these may not be the way to go. I'm just considering it, however. So you got to weigh that look versus function, right? But I really like them, so I'm leaning towards them, but I haven't made up my mind yet. Wanted to let you guys see these, get your thoughts, get your input. Let me know what you've experienced with that. So that's it for today's Tailgate Talk. Thanks for clicking the thumbnail, watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with your buddies. Let them know what's going on with the Bad Bug. Alright, until next time, everybody, thanks for stopping by.